Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix ChatGPT error 504. So first of all, if that error is showing up, you're going to have to refresh a page a couple of times. So go ahead, open your browser and refresh a page a couple of times. And now see if it changes anything. If it's still not working, then you're going to have to, try incognito mode. So open your incognito mode by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and N. And in here, also type in ChatGPT. Get logged into your account and try from here. Now, if it's still not working, you might need to wait for a couple of minutes till this error gets solved itself. Now, also make sure that your Wi-Fi connection is very strong. And likewise, you can also try a different browser. For example, if you are using ChatGPT in Chrome, you can switch to your Brave or maybe Firefox, and it will definitely work there. So guys, these are the fixes that you can try. Thank you all for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.